Condition one, if you're someone who's never driven a four-wheeler and not really particularly comfortable with that, you can just grab a hold of the waist of the person next to you and let them do the driving. Otherwise, you're in charge. On the count of three, grab the keys. 1, 2, 3. Grab those keys. Put them into the ignition, ladies and gentlemen. I said put them into the ignition. I said put the key into the ignition. For some reason, the key's not going into the ignition. The key's not going in. It is not going in. It's not going in. Try to move it upside down. Try to move it the other direction. The key's not going into the ignition. It is not. If you don't get it started, you're not going to get a chance to drive this thing, is it? Wait a minute. It's the other key. Use the other key. There it is. Put it in the ignition. It goes just fine. Give us some gas. We're going to see if we can get this thing started now. Listen, folks, I'm really sorry. I don't know if the battery was dead. Maybe you gave it a little too much gas. Maybe the gas was bad. Or did you check the gas? Yeah. I don't know. It came from the battery. The battery should have been charged. Did you check the battery? No. Yeah. Well, you know what? Sometimes they just have to sit. It's a brand new motor. Sometimes they just need to have a couple minutes to get kind of broken in. You know what I mean?